Hello everyone, Katie here. Today we're going to be making this Dr. Poppy puppet so that you can open your very own Dr. Poppy Rescue Centre. To make Dr. Poppy, you're going to need card or paper in white, yellow and green, a cardboard tube, some green paint, a paintbrush, felt tip pens, a glue stick and liquid glue, some scissors and a lolly stick. Let's mini-make. To begin with, take your cardboard tube and cut a little bit off the bottom. You might want to get your grown-up assistant to help you with this bit because it's quite hard and you don't want to snip your fingers. There we go. That's it. Put that to the side. And then get your lovely green paint and cover the cardboard tube in it. And this green is the same colour as Dr. Poppy's scrubs, which are the clothes that vets and doctors wear. So next we're going to make Dr. Poppy's face. So take your white card and with a pencil just draw a circle onto the card like that. And then cut that out. A good thing to do when you're cutting out circles is to try and move the paper instead of the scissors, and then you can get a nice smooth circle. There we go. You might want to get a bit of help with that. If you take this, a skin coloured or a light pink pencil and just colour over. It doesn't have to be very neat. And then with a yellow felt tip, I'm just going to draw Poppy's hair on like that. Colour it in. Then I'm going to do the rest of her bunches with this lovely yellow card. So draw 2 petal shapes, like that. Take your glue stick and just put a little tiny bit of glue on the top of each one, like that. And then stick just here. There we go. Now she's got lovely bunches. Dr. Poppy needs some eyes, a nose and a mouth to make her smiley and friendly. Last with this green card, I'm going to make her arms, and that's nice and easy. You can just draw a rectangle like that, and I might have one of her arms waving. So to do that, I'm going to draw a rectangle there, and then one that kind of goes up like that. You can see that'll be a smile. You can see that'll be a waving arm. Cut those out. So let's stick our arms together. I'm going to use a tiny bit of glue. Don't want to get sticky fingers. So I'm putting these 2 triangles together like that. And once that's stuck on the back of the card, it'll look like she's waving, which will be nice. But if you just want to do 2 straight arms with rectangles, that's fine. I'm going to get the white card and just draw 2 little tunnels, almost like that, on there. These can stick on the end and be her hands. Cut them out. Okay, there's one. The other one. It's really fiddly. Definitely get some help with that. There's the other hand. got her face and some arms, so we can start putting it together. My cardboard tube's nice and dry now, you can see. So let's stick the arms on first. Just pop a bit of glue at the back, like that. And then put one arm there, so you can see. It's waving a little bit. Hello. Then the other arm on this side, like that. Stick that on there. There she is. She's got one arm waving and one arm by her side. And then I'm going to cut out a tiny square of the white paper, like this, just to give her a bit of a neck. It's really starting to look like Dr. Poppy now. I'm going to add a bit of detail to the top. So I'm going to draw on Dr. Poppy's stethoscope with this black pen here. Now, a stethoscope is what vets use to hear heartbeats. I'm going to draw that coming down there. And these are the bits of the stethoscope that you put in your ear. Just like that. And then she has a little collar. There we go. Lovely. And so that we can make her into a puppet, you need your lolly stick and some liquid glue, and you just dip the lolly stick into the glue like that. Get lots of glue on it. And if you want, you could even get your fingers in there. But not too much though, because otherwise it'll slide around. And then pop that inside quite far up. You can see up as high as you can go, and then press it down with your finger. Don't worry if you get glue on it, doesn't matter. And then leave that to dry somewhere warm, face down, like that. And that way the lolly stick will dry and stay nice and strong. And once the glue's dried, your finished Dr. Poppy will look something like this. And if you wanted to, you can make some of Dr. Poppy's other friends as well. I've made Sarah the cat. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Poppy and welcome to my pet rescue centre. Hello Sarah, shall we take a look at you? I promise I'll be gentle. Ask your mummy and daddy to share pictures of your finished creations with me. Tag Toddler Fun Learning on Instagram or share them on our Facebook page.